Would you like your kitchen drawers to look like these? Nice and neat and organized and tidy?
Hi, today we are going to show you how you can organize your kitchen drawers a little bit easier with the KonMari method. You can fold your kitchen towels, the KonMari method. You will see that it makes life a whole lot easier. Since on this drawer I have two different styles for dish towels and hand towels. So if you're looking through them and you want this one, it can become quite a mess quite quickly if you're not the only one grabbing stuff out of the drawers. To fit my drawer, it might take you a while to figure out exactly what height you want and how many folds it takes to make sure it stays up on its own, as well as make sure it has the right height for your drawer. But I like to arrange them in order that I can grab a hand towel and a dish towel, because I usually end up switching them out about the same time when I do dishes. When I do laundry, or it's been sitting out for a few days and you know that you want to switch them. So you're gonna fold and fold until you get it right. Make sure you have it so that it stays up on its own. See? It'll stay up on its own. And then you put it in the drawer. A hand towel. And this is really handy also because if guests come, they can open the drawer and see exactly what they're looking for. And they can know exactly which ones to grab when they need them. It's very handy with the kids. I think I've got this one set up already. So you make sure it's not too tall. So that one might need a little bit of adjusting. But they should stand up on their own. And I have a wide assortment. All sorts of interesting designs and things that were given to me, and I enjoy them. They're fun. I like to be different. And since my drawers are so large, I can just slide them back. And I still have room for more if I chose to put some sideways. It would work. So the best part about all of this is I can grab out what I need when I need it without disturbing all the rest. And then when I have clean laundry, I can just shove these to the forward, put the other ones at the back. Rearrange things as I want, and the drawer closes nicely. And I have lots of room for everything else that I might want to do. And it really makes life a whole lot easier. And they can grab it out, and it looks wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this. Yay!